what is it we have today? We have a powered earwax remover. Pro, it's professional. I don't know what that means. It was made by people who make things for money, I'm guessing. Rechargeable, easy operation. One on-off button, easily control the water flow. 3 pressure settings. Again, if you've got 3 settings, they're going to be low, medium, and high. From gentle green to wax removal. LED indicators easily understand the machine's current status. On the back, soothing cleanse. Easy sewage collection. Again with the sewage. If you've seen my other unboxings on this stuff, sewage, I guess that's what it is. I guess earwax and water coming out of your ear is sewage. But come on, man. Gotta come up with a better word than that. Water resistance. Yeah, it better be because you put water in it. So if you put water in something that's not water resistant, you're going to have big problems. 3-hole nozzle design, more thorough cleaning. One-handed operation. And easy to store because of the collapsible nozzle. It appears we have a baby blue. You know, as if anybody said, I'm not going to clean my ears because I don't like the color of the device. Whatever. Stick that there. What have we got? We've got the manual with instructions in what appears to be English, German, and I'm going to go with Chinese. If I get the languages wrong, I'm not trying to make fun of anybody or anything. I just don't know a lot about other languages. So I apologize. Okay, we got a bag. In that bag, we have another bag. No, we have these. These are the tips. And I don't know if you can see, but they have 3 holes in the nozzle so that the water shoots out in 3 different directions. And that improves the cleaning. And also, it reduces the pressure on any one spot because you don't want sort of a laser focused stream of ice pick like water hitting your eardrum. It's probably not pleasant, and it's probably not good for your eardrum. And then you've got this, which is a USB-A to USB-C cable, which I presume is for charging the unit. You got this handy dandy, oh so soft and comfy bag, which is not branded. And so, you know, maybe you like that, maybe you don't. You get the high quality silica, which I'm told you should need. And then you get the device itself, which is in a bag. Aha! Oh-ho! So, your water goes in here. Use whatever water is directed. And then there's your nozzle. But the way this works, I do believe, is you put this doohickey on the top of it, and then you use this, you put this up against your ear, this comes out. Okay, and then you rest your ear in here, and then the nozzle goes in your ear, and then when the water flows out of your ear, it gets caught in this cup, which I think that's probably the best design. It's like a bidet for your ears. Oh man, I should copyright that. The Ear Bidet by, I don't know, Sewage Co. No, see, that was a good idea until I ruined it with that name. But anyway, I'm not gonna make you watch me put this back in the box. It's the powered earwax remover. All right.